So we spent like a couple minutes just trying to find this cave, like driving up and down the road and walking around.
Dude, that's 1927?
1927 right there.
Oh, so that's just a drop.
What do you mean? Holy cow.
Like down 15 feet. Check this out.
We found some singing rocks.
This rock here. And that one. It's weird. This one doesn't.
Oh wait, hold up, I found another one. The whole thing is the same. You hear that?
Yes.
Dude.
Let me grab
It goes
my phone.
down. Oh.
What, you know what? I have no service.
Guess what? Guess what, Andy? Guess what? Come out here and see if you recognize where we are.
It's the log, isn't it?
No, it's not the log.
Did a loop. I think go back this way.
Go right that way?
Yeah. It's shorter.
Should I go back the other way?
No. Never see each other again. One of us will make it out. Did we came from that way?
No. Go that way.
Are you sure?
Yes. Yeah, it's this way back. Oh. I know now that you're gonna be no help if we get lost. Watch out, I almost tipped it.
I don't like this thing.
The water's from the... Yeah, it's gonna want to tip when you don't. So, we haven't gone down yet. We haven't gone around the log and down. That would be my next vote.
Okay. Oh,
What you doing?
I stepped on something that made a sound. There's a frog! There's a frog! Where's the frog? There's a frog!
I just lit it up.
I don't know if you can see that. And he's eating all the cave crickets.
He's like, light? I haven't seen that.
He's like, what is this? Bye, frog. We're just going down now from the log.
What?
It goes down, but it goes way back there.
Wow, sweet.
But you're gonna have to slide.
Dude, we're just on top of stuff.
But I saw footprints down there, I think.
Why can't you just walk?
Cause go try it.
Why would I slide?
I was not necessarily wanting to walk on this thing that's like suspended. Ooh, ow.
I would have died if that hit my head.
Yeah,
That's
you'd
just
be
like
bleeding
blade.
all over right now. Ah! Come on, I'm like sliding down.
Oh, dude, there's a creek.
Another creek?
There's a creek.
Another creek!
You know what we're missing down here?
Some creepy music.
Yeah, so this is what I was talking about. If you look on the sides of the creek, the water comes up, moistens it, and then it'll crack. So this creek has definitely been higher before.
I think.
I think there's a path in here where you go like along the creek. You know, somebody also had some issues trying to get out of here.
If this thing were to just fall on us, like with all these spikes.
Is it rock or is it mud?
This is rock.
Considering my thumb went all the way in it, I think it's mud.
How did we get down here?
We just did. We walked over.
No, we came from there.
Yeah.
We walked through here.
I think we should go that way and see if there's a thing over there.
You can see where the creek just ran through, like, I don't know,
yeah.
however long ago it was. At some point, it just zigzagged through here.
Oh, yeah. Continues.
My battery's at 15%. And my other one's at 18. So
Can we take some pictures of here?
I won't have any battery for the third cave.
What do you think?
Ooh. Could.
This is too much energy to take a picture.
I know. I feel that.
Which is why no pictures have been taken.
I don't know how much of this video is turning out.
Probably not that much. What's their beer can back in here? Kind of looks like it just ends. Oh, this mud is thick here. A lot wetter over on this side.
Yeah, it is. There's another pool of water there, but look, there's just this, and then there's just this hole here with a pool of water, and it just goes up, and then it just runs through here, and you can see where it's like carved little channels, and then it drips down in there. Alright, so we decided to go back to the sandy area to see if we could find the old mine. I think we're in the old mine currently.
Maybe there was an old creek that went through here.
But then what's with these random little like dugout areas?
People went down in there. Oh, dude, it's like footprints down in there and it just goes.
And look at all the debris.
That is actually extremely tight in there.
We're cavers. Of course we don't know where we're going.
We're cavers.
Of course we like to see how far back in a cave we like can fit our bodies.
We're cavers. Of course passing gas is poisonous. We're cavers. Of course we've watched countless videos of people dying in caves.
We're cavers. Of course we've gone in circles for the last 20 minutes.
Would that actually happen though?
Hold on,
So many times. Wait, this is so nice. I just want to take a nap here.
We're cavers. Take a nap when you feel tired. Don't really.
Still haven't seen like the planks of wood that are supposed to be in here. I think this just ended. I don't think this continues. No.
Oh, so this is the end this way. Well, unfortunately my GoPro battery died, and I didn't realize it till we got out of the cave. We never did find the remains of the mine that we were looking for. There supposedly is wood and some other stuff, but didn't see any of that. So, yeah. Alright, well, that cave has been explored. We're done.